Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about 3 steps to finding favor with your parents. Now, one of the coolest things in life is enjoying a happy home. You can learn to become a source of joy in your family. Now, the rebel attitude will cause you some very uncool moments in life. Now, here are 3 steps you can do to ensure a great time at home. First, choose to obey your parents immediately, whether you feel like it or not, because you're eventually going to have to do it, right? So just get it done and go out the way. Second, honor your parents when you speak to them. Even if you don't agree with them and want to discuss something or negotiate a better deal, to do it without the anger and the attitude, and for sure you'll be amazed of the results. Lastly, be truthful even when it gets you in trouble. Why? Because you lose favor quickly when you cannot be trusted. It is better to take the hit if you have it coming than to lie and avoid it. Lies are eventually uncovered, and the consequences are much more damaging, and telling the truth would have been good. Kana lang. Thank you very much. God bless.